Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we're going to do more underwater experiments, and today is a viewer request playing cards. It's a bit dark without the lights. Yeah, but playing cards, paper, and these are like coated playing cards. They're pretty slippery and they have some kind of plastic coating. So I think we can just drop them there without the plastic wrapping and hope that they don't get too soft too fast. And because we are using our 40-ton press, we have to use this special add-on tool here to lower the needed force, because the 40 tons isn't enough for the whole deck. Yeah, hey, but it's there. I'm going to go fast before it gets soft. And here we go. Oh, I don't have the full power on the machine. Okay, new try. Holy shit, that was loud. I thought that it's not going to be so loud because of the water, but it was just as loud. I think the frame of the machine gets the sound out. Usually when you have like explosions underwater, sound really doesn't come out. But now the like sharp metallic clang came through as like there isn't any water at all. So the reaction clearly is pretty similar than without the water. Yeah, let's have a look on the high speed. It like throws the air bubbles and then they like cavitate. Or not cavitate, they like disappear and then come back. There's some kind of pressure shock waves going on. Really interesting. Yeah, I think the air bubbles are way more interesting than the deck itself. Okay, let's see the deck now. Yeah, it just breaks and the like water keeps all the pieces in one place. But yeah, those air bubbles are interesting. Really interesting. I didn't expect that. Yeah, this is super cool. Okay, and then we have lot of viewer requests, and first, food coloring. Oi! Okay, that was pretty nice. And now I can show my official butter removing system. Okay, and then the next one. Some tomato sauce. Oh, hey, that's pretty nice. I think we are not going to need the 1500 frames per second slow motion for this. 100 frames is plenty enough. Okay, and then we have bottle full of oil. And this is interesting because now it should float on top of the surface as the bottle breaks. And here we go. That was surprisingly strong for a small bottle like that. Okay, let's have a look on the high speed. I think that's interesting because it was surprisingly strong. Okay, here it goes. The bottle jumps pretty high. That's interesting. There's quite much of resistance on the water against fast movements, but it still jumped so much. And there's like the oil and water mixes pretty well. It takes some time for them to separate. I think they're going to separate on the surface. Yeah, there's some bigger droplets also. Yeah, pretty good. And then the next one. Okay, and then the last one, maple syrup bottle. I think the ask was for regular syrup, but this is in the glass bottle that's more interesting in my mind. And this should be a bit heavier than water, and it also starts to like mix with water after it's crushed, so lots different than the oil. And here we go. Okay, that's interesting. The neck broke and the syrup stays on the bottle, so let's keep going. I'm going to stir up the water with the hose. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I think it mixes pretty fast. I think it's already pretty uniform mix between the syrup and the water, so it's now like light syrup. Yeah, but the deck of playing cards, that was the best of the day. And if you have more ideas, please let me know. And I think we could even try with different tools and the underwater thing. I have also some YouTube channel updates. Our HPC Shorts is now officially uploading daily videos. So if you like the shorter form video but dislike TikTok or Instagram reels, then you can also see them now on YouTube on HPC Shorts channel. Link to that in description and end screen. And since Hydraulic Press channel is doing really well now when we have a lot of platforms and different channels for it, I decided that I don't really need to have the Beyond the Press, the second channel, as an like business case anymore. It's going to be more like hobby for me, so I'm going to move the focus from doing videos that are going to get a lot of views to videos that just interest me, and that's going to probably mean like bit less videos, maybe not so like clickbaity, easy to do videos that are mainly just to like keep the channel alive and bump up the views, and more stuff like huge explosions and like machining videos, maybe some motorcycles videos and stuff like that also. And then there is a lot of questions, where is Anni? Some videos I do myself now when Anni isn't just anymore so interested on YouTube as she used to be when we started. So you are not going to see Anni on every video, and I'm not sure will she start again to update her own channel, but Anni's doing just fine. And in general, I think this is going to be a great year for the channel. The Facebook has been really good for us. Some videos don't perform here on YouTube very well, but then they do great on Facebook, so I can like I don't have to stress so much about the views. If it doesn't work here, then maybe it works on the Facebook, and that's with the both channels. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.